Hi guys, and today, yes, another FIFA 14 packet. I'm feeling up so fast. I'm closing my eyes, guys. Give me that YouTube look. Give me that YouTube look. Here's the blue, orange, black. Not bad for a first pack, lads. You know, get that contract. The rest of it, just quick sell it, You know what I'm talking about. Right, I'm feeling the second pack, though. This second pack. Blue, orange, black, blue, orange, black, blue, orange, black, blue, orange, black, blue, orange, black. Holy crap, that's bullshit. It takes one contract, and then the rest of that comes bugger. Right then, please lads, put your pinkies out for the oh yeah, bloody Jack Wilshere. That's what we're talking about. If you want a Jack Wilshere, subscribe to my channel, and then you can have him. Just post a comment saying alright mate, and then you can have him. Jack Wilshere. That's right. It's nothing in the my pack. Now I'm gonna go to I didn't need that injury card though, because I've been getting a lot of injuries lately, you know what I mean, like? But then the rest of that can bugger. So I've much more to open, and then this episode will be over. We'll end it in style. Right, this is it. Yes, lads. We got the Beast Olivier Giroud in a pack. That's not bad at all, lads. At all. Alright, so just a couple more left, as you know. Oh god, this one's taking a while. Alright, I'm gonna let the animation run. That's nothing special. Nothing really good in that pack. Now, let's open these. You know what I'm saying. Let's run the animation run. Take a contract. Oh, coin. What? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want, lads. 4,000 coins. Yes. Yes. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Beast. Damn it. This is crap again. One more pack. One more pack. This will be the last pack of today. This was your boy, Tommy L. And I'll see you lads. But I'll see you lads soon. Thank you for joining my army. See you next time. Bye bye.